Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I decided to cook the feta cheese pasta that was made famous by TikTok. So this was all over internet and I decided to give this a go today. Mukha naman siyang madaling gawin, so I think I can nail this one. Okay, so based on that video, meron lang siyang a few ingredients which we already have in here. These are cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, pasta obviously, garlic and basil. Salt and pepper, of course. So let's go. Then while that is in the oven, we cook our pasta. You can just choose whatever pasta you want. So, ito yung pasta na napili ko. Basahin nyo na lang. Ha? Hindi ko nasasabihin para sa inyo because baka magkamali-mali. But we just cook this according to the instructions that they have at the back. Usare 1 litro de aqua liquor. That takes a lot per 100 grams. Shot. Pero kunwari naiintindihan natin. Pero yung pala may translation dito sa baba. It says, for perfect cooking, use 1 liter of lightly salted water per 100 grams. Okay, so whilst that is cooking, I'm just gonna harvest some of my basil leaves. Ganyan yung basil. Kawawa naman siya. Kawawa naman siya. So if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to grow a basil in your garden or in your home, please let me know. Every time na nag-harvest ako sa kanya, namamatay na yung mga ano. Yung pala, leaves lang pala kukunin. But I know marami sa inyo dyan ang may green thumb. Share naman kayo dyan kung paano mag-alaga. Please pray for my basil that she may grow fruitfully. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Okay, so our guest for today, who just got here in time from her running, is Rio. Hi everyone! Now you're gonna see our reaction as we eat this famous TikTok pasta. You like it with more salt?
Yeah, surprisingly kasi ako, I don't eat my pasta without meat. Diba? I just told you earlier. Baso, masarap naman pala. Kasi para siyang meaty.
This is a must try. And so that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Please make sure that you are tuned into my channel so you won't miss my weekly videos. In my opinion, that pasta was like a restaurant pasta. I didn't think that I could cook that good of a pasta. Sabi nga ni Ate Rio, hindi siya kumakain ng walang meat na pasta, but that one, like, it has a bit of chunks because of the toasted edges from the feta cheese. At hindi ka mapapahiya sa kanino man napapakain mo yung pasta. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, napalapit na yung Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. that recipe you could cook to your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and I'm sure that they will really enjoy that. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on my next video.